Hey everyone, thank you for joining in on the Simmons Datacraft Business Insights YouTube page. And thank you for looking at this video. I am Laquita Simmons, the owner of Simmons Datacraft, the business. And today we're going to check out retail sales spreadsheet. As you can see, we have 100 transactions with key columns like product name, total sales, store location, category, and date, and transaction ID, and unit price. So let's get started by calculating the total quantity sold and total sales. In Excel, click on a blank cell and use the formula. Use this formula, sum oops, that by accident, D2, and I know it goes all the way down to D101, so we're going to do D101. We're going to do that. And then this will be for total quantity sold, and that is 510. And the next one we're going to do is for total sales, sorry. And we're going to press equal again, sum, click that, F2, to F101. I'm going to do that. And this would be for total sales. And that is how much will be sold. But this is all in total sales. And remember, this is the total quantity right here. This is the total quantity sold. So let's just make that blue, bold it, and then put a little table around it. Or wait, I'm gonna wait on the table and make this. What did I say this was? Total sales. Yeah, put it right there. Here, right here. Do the same for this. I'm gonna do this. Both of them. Both will be blue. I'll take the bold off of this and put bold onto this. And for these two, I will change the font. I'm going to change the font to Apatos. And I'm going to change the size to 16. And now I'm going to make the small tiny table for this. I'm gonna do all borders. I'm gonna up this to 14. All right. Now on to our next way to use a sum. We're going to create a category sales summary with SUMIF. To see total sales per category, we'll use SUMIF. For example, I'll do this right here, but so you all can know it ends at 101 in each column. We're going to go down, and as you can see, 101 is the last column. Now, what did I say we're going to do? We're going to see total sales per category. We'll use SUMIF. And so we'll go to the category. But to make sure which one is category, because there's t-shirts and then We're going to do C is column C. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do equal sum if equal sum if C2 C101 clothing, clothing, comma, F2 to F101, and enter. This tells Excel to sum values in the total sales column where the category is clothing. Repeat for accessories and footwear. So we're going to repeat this for accessories and footwear. And to be remembering, C is category. So we're going to repeat this for accessories and footwear. Which is all in the setting of category. So we will be doing footwear and accessories. So you will do the same formula, but it's the same formula, but changing from clothing to either whichever one you're going to do next, accessories or footwear. But for me, I'm just going to go underneath this, click on, ooh, that went strange. Okay, I'm going to go underneath that number, and I'm going to click footwear, type footwear instead. And that is the number for footwear. Now I'm going to do the same for accessories. And now we have clothing, footwear, and accessories. And this is our total sales per category. So I will do this. Let's add. Ooh, not right there. Let's add one right here. Start, and there you go. So now I'm going to probably use these. I'm going to do a little thing over here. Or I can probably move this. Let's just cut this. Going to cut, and we're going to move. I'm going to paste over here. And I'm going to put total sales by category. And we're going to change the font again. I'm going to change it to Patos and put this as size 14. make these bold. This size 14 also. And this. I'm gonna put this in a box. I'm gonna merge this. And I'm gonna turn this blue so you can see. Now that we have got total sales by category, we're going to move on to visualization. We're going to select your category name. We're going to select the category names and total sales. We're going to select category names and total sales, and we're going to go to insert bar chart, but I like using recommended charts, but I'm just going to go to bar chart in general, and we're going to pick, let's see, which one looks best. Ooh. We're going to go with probably the clustered bar chart, but I might just go back and do recommended charts. Let's go to recommended charts and choose the clustered column bar chart. And we have made our chart. This gives a quick visual of which category performs best. Now you can change it up, you can filter it out by just showing one category, such as accessories, or just switch it to two categories like footwear and accessories, or just show all of them at once. And I'll just write total sales instead of saying sum of total sales. I'm just going to say this is total sales by category. As you can see, there is our pivot table, and here is the chart to go with that. But if you don't like the way it looks, we can change the colors and the design of it. And I would like to go for a little bit of purple on mine. And this is where we can change the way it looks. I don't know about you guys, but I like this one. But I might go for this one. I like that one too. Now next, we will be doing monthly sales using SUMIFs. So let's go back to sheet 1. Want to break sales down by month? First, let's extract the month using, let's give me a part of this. I'm going to click on random sale again. I'm going to do equal. This is a formula. Text. H2, comma, Gotta remember to put this because I forgot to put it. Oop. That is because I forgot to put this. Remember to put those in parentheses, enter. And it will show you April for the first date listed. Let's make this dashboard pop. Use bold headers and conditional formatting for highlight top sales and use cell borders to separate data clearly. Now, we are going to clean up the sheet. Let's name this. I'm going to just name this retail data. Oop, didn't get the A in there. We're going to hit that. Change the tab color to purple. Go over here. Let's make retail chart. Let's make this pink. So can't find pink, so we're going to get the color pink. Let's make this pink. And if you don't like how it still looks, you can change it up some more. It's really how you feel best that will go for this. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to Simmons Datacraft Business Insights. And also, if you want more data information, or want to book a schedule with me for my business is Simmons website, then check the link below. Bye for now.